Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling Dylan, and today I got another brand new unboxing for you. So what's going on everybody? I know that I have been slacking on this channel as of recently. I do apologize for the lack of content. If you guys are not following me on my second channel, I am the co-host of the Run the Ropes Media podcast. Me and my boy Unbreakable Kicks. That's right, Unbreakable Kicks. You guys should all know him from the sneaker world. We did start a podcast together, so everything wrestling, WWE, AEW, we go live for the PLEs. We also do Raw and SmackDown breakdowns as well as the AEW events. So if you guys are into wrestling at all, make sure you guys check out the channel. Go subscribe to the channel. I'm going to leave everything linked down below in the description. Like the videos, share the content, and leave us some comments down in the comments as well over there. But yes, I know it's a poor excuse, but that is the reason why I have been lacking on the content. I'm a full-time editor over there as well, so I edit all the stuff. So it does take up a good chunk of my time, but I'm getting back into it. So we got a little bit of an old unboxing here for you. You guys have seen this all over the internet. I am like about maybe a month or two late on these things now, so it is what it is. I know this video is not going to perform very well, but just giving you guys some quick updates and some content. So I'm not going super in depth on these things. Pretty much just going to show you the shoes overall, throw up some B-roll shots, and some of that good stuff. So by the box, you guys should already know what these things are. Obviously, we've been getting a ton of Maniere products as of recently. We did have the Maniere 3s, which I do still have one of my pairs of. I did end up keeping the size 12. And I am going to continue to keep those pairs because I think that they are fire. Now, they didn't perform well, same as these. This is the 4. So, size tag and label reads, Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro OG SP. Colorway is Fossil Stone and Metallic Pewter. I went with a size 13 in women's because this is a women's shoe. 11.5 in men. As well, if you look right here, I did double up on these things because I wanted to make sure I was getting the right size. So I also got a size 12 right there as well. So I'm obviously not going to be keeping both pairs. I will be getting rid of one of the pairs that do not fit me as good. So if you guys are interested in either an 11.5 men or a 12 men, let me know down below in the comments section. Maybe we can work out some type of deal. But overall, guys, yeah, so this thing's going to come in that Maniere packaging with like this tri-fold box that they've been putting out. You know, obviously the Air Maxes came out. Those were pretty clean. I didn't go for them. Did not pick those things up. I just didn't see myself, keeping them or wearing them. Also, the mock-ups that were originally slated for that particular shoe, in my personal belief, I thought it was way better than what they actually turned out to be. So that is something right there. Obviously, you get the cloth too in the box. Forgot to mention that. If you guys want like details of the box and the packaging and stuff like that, as well as the other shoes in the While You Were Sleeping pack, make sure you check out my Air Jordan 3 While You Were Sleeping video. And like I said, man, this is the Jordan 4, the second Jordan 4 from Maniere, the Fossil Stone joints, man. And personally, I like these better than the Burgundy pair, the very first Burgundy Crush joints, I think they were called. The very first Jordan 4 from Maniere. I like these so much better, man. I personally, so like, there's two people, right? Like, some people like a primarily all black shoe. Me, I'm on the other way, man. I like my shoes primarily white or in lighter tones. And that's why I think I like this a lot better than those Burgundy Crush. You still got the sail midsole. You still get your Burgundy hits on this thing. However, just a nice subtle colorway. Great for the fall and winter as well, this colorway right here. But yeah, man, pretty much just going to go over some of the specs on this thing very quickly. You guys are going to see some bunch of B-roll shots while I'm talking. So, yeah, let's get into it. So pretty much, guys, you're going to get this Fossil Stone pretty much all over the shoes right here. I dig this color, like I said. It's a really nice, subtle color. You get some good materials on here. You get some nice soft nubuck as well as the suede around the mud guard. Really nice hairy suede on these guys as well. Not super short-haired suede. You do get a little bit of that hairy suede action going around the mudguard. Mid panel is black. I think the only thing that I would change on these guys right here is if The Nike Air on the back, as you can see right there, was like a burgundy crush, and then the midsole, that painted black, was a burgundy crush, kind of like how the outsole is. If you take a look at the outsole real quick, you get those burgundy crush hits. I think I really would have liked that. It would have been a little bit more cohesive, but overall, I do really like these. Now, pretty simple on these guys too, man. You're gonna get the roll cut edge for the sock liner, quilted sock liner. Insole is not quilted, thankfully, because otherwise your feet are gonna slip around in your shoes while you're walking. But you do get the Maniere and the burgundy crush with the kind of embroidery of the A logo, all in the insole. Same as on the tongue right there behind the tongue. Maniere branding with the burgundy crush all over them. So on the inside of the tongue as well, you're gonna get the Maniere logo as well as the Air Jordan logo, and the same on the outside as well, right? So you're gonna get your Jumpman with the flight patch, and then you're also gonna get the Maniere logo on the left shoe. Now, specialties that come with these joints is a little hang tag. So you get the Maniere branded tag right here, as well as the Nike Air branded with the burgundy crush. Nice little plasticky, rubberized hang tag right there. I do like when they include some extras. It just makes the shoes feel a little bit more premium. Another thing that they came included with as well is you're going to get 2 sets of extra laces. I would have liked if they would have included a burgundy crush color. Like I said, again, some of that accents would have popped off of this shoe. However, you do get a cream lace in the cardboard box as well as a white lace in the cardboard box. So nice that they did include some extra laces in there. I probably might throw in the cream, or I may just leave them how they are. White is a no-go on these things. There is no stark white at all on this shoe. So it's got to be cream or the standard laces, which are just the fossil stone in there. And outsole, like I already showed you a little bit, you're going to get some burgundy crush hit with the Nike Air logo as well as that cream bottom. If you know me on the channel, you know that I am a sucker for a cream midsole, cream outsole. It's just, I don't know. I personally like that aging type of look on the shoes that they've been doing for the past couple years. That's just my personal opinion. I know some people are sick of it and they say that it's played out, so on and so forth, but your boy digs it. Now, if you did hear when I just picked up this pair right here, here's what is going to drive you guys absolutely insane with this particular shoe. And it may honestly lend people to get rid of them. I'm going to be honest, man, because while I'm walking, I don't want to hear this. Ready? That's annoying. And I'm not sure why it does that. I don't know if it's rubbing on the quilted sock line or if it's just the material of this tongue and the nubuck that's on it. But man, like, you're going to be walking in here. That's going to be mad annoying. So, is what it is. Probably one of the few flaws I find in this shoe. Again, aftermarket on these guys did not perform very well. You should be able to get these things for about retail. Maybe even, you know, if you search like eBay and stuff like that, maybe even able to get them at a discounted price. So, not going to be a hard one to obtain if you do want them. I did forget to mention real quick, pop it on there, that Nike Air on the back, which is phenomenal on Jordan 4s and 3s. And man, that's pretty much going to do it for this shoe right here. Like I said, guys, super late to the party on these guys. I have had this literally since the release. And that had to be at least a month ago, right? Maybe even like a month and a half, 2 months now. So I've just been super backed up on making some content for you guys. Hopefully, plan on being back at it starting this week. So expect some more stuff from me, as well as the releases are going to start picking up, guys. So we got the Black Cement 3s. We got the Olive 9s coming. You also are going to get the reimagined Air Jordan 1s are going to be, the black toes are going to be floating around. I don't know if they're going to be releasing this year. Rumored that it was pushed back to next year, but we will see about that. And, you know, what else do we got? Oh, the Fear 4s too, bro. Fear 4s, your boy's definitely going to be going for them. Love that pair, so hoping to get them for retail. And other than that, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure you guys smash the like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Do not forget to share and comment down below as well. And that's going to do it for me, ladies and gentlemen. So, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. And we're out. Peace.